Troubleshooting: how to set your own frame parameter. Click one T-shirt hoop which is already in the machine. Check the parameter of this T-shirt hoop. Find the center point of the machine. Please notice that the number of the center point of the machine is already set before we ship to you. No need to change it. Click Add a new frame. Input the number of length and width of your frame. If your frame is a round frame, you need to input the number of radius. Then, input the number of the center point of the machine. Now your own frame can be used on the machine.